Okay guys, we are live. Time is 10:49 a.m. Eastern. This is for Tim Lagundo's giveaway. 5 winners. Winners, please contact Tim. Let's go to the list. Random the list 3 times in the clubhouse. 10:49 a.m. Eastern. First random. Second random. Third and final random, guys. 10:50 a.m. Here's the top 5. And the items. .50 a.m. First random. Second random. 10:50 a.m. Final random. Go. Okay, John Christopher, you won the Roop Hints rookie signature shots out of 249. Anthony McNally, the Rod Langway brushstrokes auto. Dave Kosh, the Mike Ribeiro, Kari Lettinen, Jakov Josefsson, Adam Larson to 50. John Christopher, you won the Adam Oates Remnants to 100. And Sean Noble, you won the Reggie Leach Ultimate Auto. Time 10:51 a.m. Eastern. We're done. Thanks, guys.